Most people in the world use either Windows, macOS, or some kind of Linux distro. However, I have found the most bizarre knockoffs from the darkest corners of the internet that you should not download yourself. And I wonder which is going to be the worst, most awful operating system we'll use today. This is Ubuntu 10, which stands for Windows Ubuntu 10. We have this system successfully installed and I just booted it up and this is the first window that opens up. It's a ripoff of the Windows 10 settings. I think let's fix the resolution or something. Everything is like Windows 10. Okay, it's so freaking weird. I see we have some Microsoft programs like Edge and we also have Microsoft Excel. Yeah, it opens up Microsoft Edge and now it's gonna lead us to the online version of Excel and PowerPoint and Word. Let's see the file explorer. This one has been customized to look like Windows 10. So this is just Ubuntu with Cinnamon, I guess. Change desktop background. What are these wallpapers? Windows Talks. That's interesting. Could I possibly turn this one back to Cinnamon? We might just be back to Cinnamon. What is this? Adawaita. I have just de-bloated my Ubuntu 10 and made it into like basic Cinnamon, I guess. So far, this is the worst operating system, but let's see if the other ones can beat this one. Next, I have found a Linux distro that suspiciously looks a lot like macOS. I'm talking about Elementary OS. The logo looks a bit weird. I guess it's supposed to resemble like an E or something. Select a language, English, United States. Erase and install. Create an account, full name, data stream. This lock screen looks kinda interesting, actually. Let's type in my password. That is a super nice looking wallpaper, I will give it that. This operating system does really resemble macOS. When I open up the contextual menu, my dog disappears for some reason. See? What the hell is that? Okay. And also, if I remember correctly, then you cannot place any icons on the desktop. What is the desktop even for then? Just looking at the wallpaper or what? Desktop, dock and panel, hide dock never. Okay, so this is like a notifications panel. This is like a control center. Oh, and this operating system is based on Ubuntu 24. And also, I remember one really quirky feature about this operating system last time I tried it. What we can do is open up the App Center and, of course, you have like free applications, but then you also have paid applications. These are not actually paid applications. I just clicked on the price tag and what I can do is I can also enter 0, try for free, and now I can just download it. For, I think, most of these applications, I can choose how much I want to pay for them. I can pay either $10 or I can pay $1. It's such an interesting concept. And this icons theme seems, I don't know, I kind of want to change it. It feels a bit old school. Let's see some wallpapers. This one looks cool, and this one also. Yeah, these wallpapers are pretty great. Oh yeah, and there's also this feature, dyslexia-friendly text font. It makes everything super weird looking. Maybe I should become dyslexic so I can use this. This one is probably the most normal operating system we are checking out today, or that we have checked out in a very long time. And now we have to check out the actually worst operating system ever made. Or is it actually the worst? I don't know. I'm talking about Rebecca Black OS. If you don't know who Rebecca Black is, then she made that one song that everyone hated. It was called Friday. Auto login, select session for Rebesti. What the hell? Okay, full screen terminal. Which environment do we want? If this is the default, then I'm picking that one. Okay. This is how it looks like. And how do I actually install this operating system? This is probably what Rebecca Black also uses on her desktop. Wayland application launcher. It uses Wayland by default, and it has been using Wayland for a very long time. Why is the home folder called Rebesti? Rebesti at Rebesti. Let's find some system information. Wayland application launcher. Welcome to Rebecca Black OS installer. Next. Next. Erase disk. Next. What is your full name? Rebecca Black. Friday. Password. It's Friday. This is a third-party fan-made distribution. Or is it? That's exactly what Rebecca Black would say. Every single time I restart my computer, I have to select a desktop environment. Or what? Wait, build Sunday 2026, 22nd February. This has been updated pretty recently. Who keeps updating this and why? I think let's also check out different desktop environments. KDE Plasma version 6.6.80, Rebecca BlackOS 1. So this is actually the latest and greatest upcoming KDE Plasma 6.7. This one, as of the time of recording, hasn't even released yet. Oh, and here we actually have extra wallpapers. Yeah, this one's black, this one's blue, and this one's the previous one. I have so many questions, and none of them are getting answered. You can check out a similar video of the same series right here, and I'll possibly meet you there.